We are on Unit 2, Quiz 3 Study Guide, question number 5. So question number 5, I need to write the piecewise function for the following graph. So again, you know that the piecewise function is made up of 3 parts, so you already can set up your piecewise functions as this. So you have 3 parts, 3 different equations, and then the first one, second one, and the third inequality. So this will be equations, and this one will be inequality. So I'm going to read off from the graph how to find the slope and y-intercept. So in order to find out the y-intercept, you have to extend your line to the y-axis. So some of you ask me how you can make it like really accurate. So you may identify 2 points, and then you have to find out how many steps that you have to go to the left in order to get to the second point. So you have to go to the left by 1, so you get -1, and then go down by 2, which is -2. That's why my slope for the first one it is -2 over -1, because slope is rise over run. So my slope will be 2, and my y, in order to find my y-intercept, instead of extending the line using the ruler, you can just go up by 2, go to the side by 1, go up by 2, go to the side by 1, and then when you meet the y-axis, which is your y-intercept, which is 2. So I have y-intercept equals to 2, my slope equals to 2, so I can form my function 2x plus 2. And your domain is cut off as -2, so that's why you are going to have x less than -2. So this is x is less than -2, but this is a closed dot, so that's why I'm going to put an equal sign. The second one is in between -2 and +2, so I can just put -2 and +2, my x in the middle. So you look at the dot on -2 is an open dot, so I can just put less than. And the one on +2 is a closed dot, so I'm going to put less than or equals to, and this is a constant function. So I'm just going to put the constant, which is equals to 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. I'm just putting 3 here. And the last one, the line is at +2. It's on the right hand side of +2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put x is greater than 2. So you want to check, is it a closed dot or empty dot? A closed dot or an open dot. This one is open because it's not solid, so it's greater than, so I don't put equal sign here. And finally, I need to find out the y-intercept and the slope. In order to find the slope, I need to identify 1 point and the second point. So I ask myself how many points I need to go in order to go to my second point. So this one I need to go to the right by 2 and go down by 1. So my slope will be going down by 1 because it's rise over run. So I have to put -1 over going to the side by 2, going to the right by 2, +2. So your slope will be -1/2. And my y-intercept, in order to find my y-intercept, I'm doing the same thing as my slope. I have to go down 1 and go to my right by 2, or I can go up 1 and go to my left by 2. So because your negative sign can be on top or bottom. So this one, my graph will be going up by 1 and then go to my left by 2. So, and then I can find my y-intercept, which is +1. So my y-intercept is +1, so this is my constant, and my slope is -1/2, so I can put -1/2 x plus 1. So this is the answer for question number 5. So question number 5.